What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe. I am back with another one. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back. I want to do a quick update for LiveGood. All right, I haven't done an update in a minute. I want you to know that this is still a great opportunity to get started with, whether you're going to be just a consumer and purchase the products or a consumer and an affiliate. Either way, you can't go wrong. All right, now if you have not checked out LiveGood yet, you can do that at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go there, check it out, get started today. All right, so of course I am a product of the product always. All right, these are my favorites so far. The Super Reds, love this. It mixes with anything, mixes very well. The Super Greens, we got some of this in here as well. Still pretty full. This is another one. Super Greens. And then I love this one, the LiveGood Plant Based Protein Powder. Okay, this mixes well. Everything mixes well. Okay, I like this. I mix it with almond milk typically, and then spinach, bananas, etc. But love it. So all these are my favorites. All right, but what I want to show you today is I received an email. They've got a new product that they have launched, but I also want to show you some of the other ones I haven't spoke about as of yet as well. So we're just going to do a quick update on LiveGood. I love that these are superfoods, organic, great quality. Okay, because I purchased these products anyway before I even got in LiveGood. A lot of times from different health stores, Costco's, etc. So they have good quality products at a great price. All right, so let's take a look here. Let me go to the website. Hang on. All right, so let's go to the website. I want to look at some of the new stuff. They've got a variety of products here guys. They even have this product for pets, the CBD oil. Let me show you here real quick. Right here, CBD oil for pets. Natural flavor, full spectrum CBD oil. All right, but here's the new one. They sent out an email on, hang on one second. Okay, they sent this email yesterday stating this is the new product. Okay, methylene blue, a potent cognitive enhancer that it can improve respiration due to the ability to act directly on cellular metabolism and correct deficiencies therein. All right, so let's take a look here at this one right here. Help enhance memory, protect brain cell health, support positive mood, focus, and cognition. All right, so let's click on this one. See here. Okay, dissolving strips. Okay, it's only $12.95 if you are a member of LiveGood. The retail price, if you decide not to be a member, is $19.95. You got 15 strips in this package here. And they go over the description. Our brains are the single most important organ in our body. Even if everything else is working perfectly, without a healthy brain function, we can't even do simple day-to-day tasks and activities. When you're young, our brains are sharp. We have mental clarity, strong memory, creative problem-solving ability, and health mitochondrial energy levels. Mitochondria are the energy-producing centers of our brain cells, the powerhouse of our cells. All right, so they go into the details of that. Each box contains 15 oral dissolving films to be used every other day for a 30-day supply. Wet your mouth before using. Open the foil and place one film on your tongue and allow it to dissolve. The brilliant blue salt will immediately turn your mouth blue. This is normal and expected. It is also normal to see blue or green urine for up to 2 days. Within 30 minutes of using, seek natural sunlight for at least 5 minutes of exposure. Methylene blue is considered photodynamic, which means it has a response to light and further increases the production of energy within the mitochondria. Okay? And it says the best time of the day to use it is in the morning, especially beneficial for those practicing intermittent fasting. All right? So enhance memory, protect brain cell health, support positive mood, improve focus and cognition. Alrighty, guys. And of course, consult your physician first for using any products, guys. We're not doctors. We're not diagnosing anything. We're not saying we can cure anything. So please consult your physician before using any products. That's just in general. All right. And it says that there is caffeine free, it's gluten free, non-GMO verified, nut free, and cruelty free. All right. So go check out this new product. Go to the link www.coffeeandcoins.info. You can see what this product is all about. But there were a few others that I haven't spoke about that they added a couple weeks back. So let's take a look at those as well. Let me move this over. Such as these energy and focus patches. So they have these as well. So they've added some new stuff here. Right here, I need to check these out. Energy and focus patches support healthy energy, promotes positive mood, help improve focus, promote greater endurance. So you get 30-day supply, 1 patch a day. All right, so these are for energy. So that's something new as well. And their competitor with these are the energy enhancers. And then this one here, the boost patches. So they compare, look at the price comparison. $14.95 as a member with LiveGood versus these other ones, $69.95 or $34.99. All right. So there's a lot of different products here. All right. So you got that one. Then they've got the sleep patches. Let's take a look at these. These are only $14.95 as a member. Retail price $24.95. All right. So check these out, guys. Support deep, restful sleep. Improve sleep quality. Wake up refreshed. Natural ingredients. 30-day supply of those as well. And they're comparing those to these. Sleep Night, $69.95. Sleep Dream, Sleep Patch, $39.95. All right, so LiveGood is rocking. You should, it says here, you should start to feel the effects of LiveGood Sleep Patch within 30 minutes of application. Remove and discard patch after 8 hours. Do not reuse an already used patch. Okay. So that's another one they've got there, the sleep patches. And okay, then I just talked about the new one. They already had the collagen. All right, guys. So there's 3 new products that they added recently. So definitely go check them out. I don't know if you guys remember, they have the CBD pain relief cream. This is another new one, by the way. I forgot about this one too. This one's only, let's look at the price, $17.95 as a member. Retail $28.50. So membership definitely has its privileges here. This is LiveGood CBD pain relief cream with organic aloe vera in it. Okay, guys. So another product you can check out. They list the benefits of it. aloe vera, anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. All right, so another product. Let's see what they're comparing this one to. doTERRA Deep Blue, $46.67 for doTERRA Deep Blue. Our product is $17.95. And then there's the Well Care Botanical Pain Relief Cream. That's $69.95. LiveGood product is $17.95, guys. Become a member. All right. So there's some new products you can check out. Now, let's take a look here. Let me show you something else. Hang on. Okay, now they do have packages, guys. They have these two right here for limited time frame, the Instant Youth and the Ageless Skin Serum. But they have packages if you want bulk ordering. You can come down here and look at the different packages. The Daily Essentials Pack, the Lean Body Pack, or the Ultimate Wellness Pack. Okay, Skincare Pack, Maximum Energy Pack, then the AM/PM Pack, the Energy Pack, and then the patches. Okay, that comes as a pack there. And then there's an Everything Pack and an Everything Pack without the CBD. Okay, so they give you a lot of options, and of course they got the swag, the hats, the shirts, and the shaker bottle, and tanks and polos. All right. Now, guess what? It's only $9.95 a month to be a member, and this way you can save and get the membership pricing on these products when you purchase them, such as this. Let's just take a look. The Super Greens. I really like this. So see, the membership is for this. It would only cost you $18 by you just simply paying $9.95 a month to be a member, or pay it up for the year for $99. It's up to you. But the retail price is $29. So just be a member, pay $9.95 a month, and you can get the membership pricing. All right, guys. So it's definitely something to check out. Just like having a Costco's or Sam's or what's the other? There's another one. Can't think of the name. It's Costco, Sam's, and forget the other one in our area. But it's like having a membership to access these places. So if you have a membership, you have access. You go in and you get the membership costs. The rates are lower, right? So same here. So you definitely go check this out. Your health is your wealth. All right, you can have all the money in the world, but without your health, it means absolutely nothing. And that's facts. All right, so go check it out. I have a link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Click on the Live Good button. You'll get this page. Get your membership for $9.95. If you want to become an affiliate, that's optional, and you want to share this with others, spend $40, guys. $50, you got your business. Okay, a health and wellness business. They provide you with your referral links, the websites that you promote and share, and they will do the rest. They'll ship the product to our customers. They'll handle all of that. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. You just collect. Okay, all right, and they pay out every Thursday. And you can use crypto to buy your products, to get your membership and your products. If you hold crypto, you can use it to buy these products. Isn't that nice? And you can receive your commissions in crypto if it's $50 or more. All right, so great opportunity. Go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.